Yes, sir. Easy.
Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna get straight into taking off the front portion of the car. So this piece yesterday broke right off while I was doing the injectors, so we're gonna get that replaced. The pipe was probably brittle anyways and needed to be changed, so we're gonna take care of this and make the customer even happy. And another thing, the customer have green coolant inside of here, inside of the reservoir. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do something really kind for the customer. I'm gonna drain the entire coolant system, take care of this pipe, and I have some real Audi Volkswagen coolant I'm gonna put in here, and then I gotta put the intake manifold back down because the injectors are in right now. So all I need to do is just pull the front portion off and then replace that little piping right there. So I'm gonna get to that right now. I'm gonna take care of everything I just told you guys I'm gonna do. I already started taking off the little portion on top right here. This little panel right here, I already took it off. It's a 330, so go ahead, remove this right here. So I took the pipe off. I guess this is the water pipe for the Audi V6 3.2 liter located at the front of the engine. The nipple broke off, so I started changing that. As you guys can see, you need to drop the front end a little bit. You just need to drop it down a little bit and work around it. So that's what I did. Took everything apart, took the belt off. Everything came off really easy. Just take your time and just follow along. And just take this hose off right here. I think that's to the thermostat. This another hose right here. Where's this going? This look like it's going to the lower radiator. If I'm not wrong, it looked like it's going down there. And then this is the upper radiator hose. Then the serpentine belt, you need to drop that down a little bit just to pull the pipe out. And that's about it. I kind of moved this out the way because I didn't want to break anything. So it's up to you. And then I have to put the intake manifold back. This should go really simple. Just take your time and make sure you put everything back. So I just came back from Audi not too long ago. I went to go pick the pipe up. So that's a plus. Shit, hopefully I didn't cut myself. Shit. I kind of hurt on my finger just a little bit. So my main focus right now is to get this pipe in where it belongs. So that's what I'm working on. And piece of it is almost in. And for future reference, there's a little connector right there. Please move it out the way for your sake. Because once I was doing an oil filter and I took a ground off and I ended up bolting the ground right into the oil filter assembly on the Audi. So please be careful and watch what you're doing. Could see I got the new pipe in. I was kind of struggling to get that in. It's just a tight area because I didn't want to drop the front down all the way. So we get in there. I just got one more screw to put in and one more hose clamp to connect, and we should all be set. All right, so now the intake manifold is ready to go back on. So I'm just trying to connect everything back right now. Everything that I took off, so that's why I'm kind of just going through everything. So after, let's not forget about this throttle body. While we see it, let's plug it back in. That's good. These hoses. Okay, all right. We're doing pretty good so far. So now we can grab the bolts from the front and just put everything back. So you guys saw how organized I was, right? Bolts right here. I'm putting everything pretty much in a cup. So I know, like, I'm organized. I'm ready to put everything back. That's the best way to honestly do it. just make sure you get a cup and organize everything you're doing, because you don't want to mix and match bolts. For instance, I had a different pile of bolts over there, so I didn't mix them up. I just put different cups. I have another one underneath here too. So let's get that secure back in the spot. A little bit of coolant. Yeah, everything is pretty much put back. I'm gonna grab the computer, give her a startup, see if we have any codes, and go from there. Added water in it, so I'm gonna just go ahead. Oh, spill it in.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove.
So pretty much everything is secure right now. The car is currently running, but it got one code for fuel injector number 5. We have to replace that one. We didn't replace that one, so that's why. The car is currently running, no codes, just that one injector number 5. We replaced 4 and 6 last time, so injector number 5 is giving the problem. And then when we go to this is how I know it's fine right now. It's just pending. Because when we go to advanced measuring blocks, we go to misfire. We go to misfire. And let's go to 5. That's the bad injector. If you look at the misfire count, it's 0. So it's not really affecting the car right now. But the customer made to change that ASAP. Because it's not distributing evenly between each cylinder. So he's going to have to take care of that pretty soon. The air out the system too, so that's why it's bubbling. All the air is coming out. Make sure you guys take care of that if you leave the cooling out the system. Yeah, that's about it. Everything is working like it's supposed to, and now I'm signing off. Peace. Do this. Out here with all the guys. You all the way in Long Island right now. All the guys.
No, I got the what's it called?
We got the. What kind of Benz is that again?
Why are you moving the car?
What kind of Benz is that?
E400.
E40? It's an E4 on it. It's rear wheel drive versus the Mark 7 GTI front wheel drive.
This should be good.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Fuck it.
I got money on the GTI.
Fuck it.
Let's see.
Is nobody gonna set them off? No, yeah, like nobody gonna set them off. Do somebody set them off?
Go set the. Oh, so he's running.
Nigga, that's crazy. I don't know, the GTI might take
I better post all those videos to the chat.
What's going might take it. Yo, yeah, post my video.
YouTube.
Post my video with Alex, bro. So what's his name? Cause see. Hold on, brother. Hold on. Post my video with Alex, so niggas can see it.
We gotta make the cars go by first. We on like a little dead end block. I don't know. Yeah, I'm putting this one on YouTube.
You're busting up.
What you mean? I might not put free up on YouTube, so stop.
Put it. Do it. Put it.
Stop from putting your up on YouTube.
Put it. I want you to put it.
You heating up them tires, boy.
Nah, Devon, you left that nigga, bro.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
OD
GTI got it. I ain't gonna
OD money on the GTI.
From it.
What
I'm about to say, what the fuck happened?
No, he didn't launch that properly. No, he didn't launch that properly. He didn't launch that properly. He didn't launch that properly, bro. He didn't launch that properly.
I would've lost my money.
He didn't launch it properly, right? Cause I heard it slow down, bro.
He didn't launch. Yo, let's do it again.
I got money in my brother just to do that.
Wow, you bro, no way. No way.
I say that, but I was like this, right? I was like this.
No way.
That shit was close though.
Nah, he didn't launch it properly though. He didn't launch it properly.
Yeah, word.
Raekwon, that would have ate you up because it caught up to you, bro.
Hey, I have no blood clot, my shit.
Bro, let me drive, bro. Let me drive.